Good day, I'm Zimbay V. De Jesus from 1CG2, and now in this video I will teach you how to use Wix.com and how to edit your own website or own blog. And now let's start on this design site. Just wait for a moment. Here I already make my own website, but you can choose either personal blog or for your career, for your store, or other website that can be made. Now let's start on my personal blog. Here you can see that I already edit my own picture rather, and then I already edit the name that said that Zimbay. Next, in my life blog, I already add my video here. Just simply click and then click the video and then manage video. Here you can see. For a moment. Here you can add video here. Just simply click computer and then TikTok video, open your file, open. Just wait for the upload. You can edit your video here. The title, let's say hi everyone, and then you can save that. And then it will direct into your post like that. Hi everyone, please check with my friend memories and valuable highlights. Next, here, get to know me. You can edit this one. Let's say happy birthday, or let's say what's up. Hold on. I say happy birthday. What's up? You can post that. And then here on the back, you can see hashtag Zimbay.dj on TikTok. In this blog, you can add your own. You can link your own Instagram here, so the pictures of your the post on your IG will direct here. And then next, for the last one is for the stay connected. You can add your personal Gmail for collaboration, and that's how easy how to use the Wix.com. And now let's publish this one. View site.